I still remember those days जब जावा को स्कूल और कॉलेजेस में प्रायोरिटी में पढ़ाया जाता था. The excitement of writing our first Hello World program in Java, compiling it, and then patiently waiting for the output screen to flash. Those were the days when Java ruled the coding world. हर एक डेवलपर का सपना हुआ करता था इस लैंग्वेज को मास्टर कर. And we cannot forget about C++, where life was all about pointers, memory management, and those endless debugging sessions. But then something happened, something that changed the way we code forever. A new language has taken over our screens, JavaScript. What was once just a simple tool for adding a little interactivity to our web pages has now become a full-fledged powerhouse, rivaling Java itself. But why JavaScript? कि JavaScript Java को replace कर रही है? Why is this language, which was once considered just a scripting language, now the go-to choice for so many developers? The answer lies in its versatility, its flexibility, and the way it has adapted to the changing needs of the tech world. JavaScript is not just a front-end anymore. With the rise of Node.Js, it's now dominating the back-end as well. इसके साथ power of frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue, and you have the language it's capable of building entire applications from scratch. Java was a powerful language, and it is actually today. लेकिन आज JavaScript is the new language that speaks to the new generation of developers. It's lightweight, it's asynchronous, and it's fast. In today's fast-paced world, जहाँ हर कोई rapid development चाहता है, JavaScript proves to be the perfect tool. You know, right? JavaScript was just a helper and used to add a little interactivity to our static HTML pages. उस टाइम पर कोई भी नहीं सोच सकता था कि यही लैंग्वेज एक दिन बैकएंड को भी पावर करेगा. The journey from simple scripting to becoming a full stack development tool is nothing but amazing. JavaScript का impact सिर्फ वेब पर ही नहीं रुका, बल्कि with the introduction of frameworks like React Native, we can now create mobile applications using JavaScript. एक ही language on multiple platforms, web, mobile, and even desktop. Isn't that amazing? And it's not just the technology. The community behind JavaScript has been a driving force. Open source libraries, frameworks, and tools that made it easier for developers to innovate and build amazing products. So basically, JavaScript is becoming the new Java, not by replacing it, but by evolving into something that can do almost everything Java could and actually more. So what do you think about this JavaScript? Do you think that JavaScript is the future of everything? Just comment down below.